How to withdraw an application from Accenture. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw an application from Accenture. If you have applied for a job at Accenture and wish to withdraw your application, first, log in to the Accenture Careers portal using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Applications or Application History section. Find the job you wish to withdraw from and look for the Withdraw or Cancel Application option. Confirm your withdrawal when prompted, so this will officially remove your application from consideration. Now that you know how to withdraw an application from Accenture, you can now easily manage your job submissions.